Miradore offers different integrations to save you time and resources while reducing the risk of human error when it comes to the tedious task of data entry. Take advantage of automated Microsoft Entra ID user sync to simplify user assignment and keep your data up to date. In your Miradore site, go to System, Integrations, and select your integration. In this case, we will select Microsoft Entra ID. Please note that the connection to Microsoft Entra ID cannot be established if your browser is in incognito mode. We recommend using modern browsers like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge to establish the connection. In order to set up the connection between your Microsoft Entra ID and Miradore, you will need access to your client ID, client secret, and tenant ID, all of which can be found in your Entra ID account. Scan the QR code on screen to find out more about where to find the required information. Click Connect once you have entered all required information. You will see a Connection Success notification next to the Disconnect button when the connection is successfully established. Select the Workflows tab if you do not wish to import all data from your Entra ID account. Click on Enable Workflow and select Use Filtered Sync. In our example, we will set the filter type to query and add the query filter ends with mail@leadit.at to import all users with email addresses ending in @leadit.at. Click on Test Filter to confirm that you've entered a valid query. Once the Filter is valid message is displayed, you will also see how many users will be imported based on your query's selection. You can now save and enable the workflow by clicking the button. You are now all set to have your user data automatically imported to Miradore from Entra ID. You can, of course, edit the workflow at any time to adjust for changed user criteria, for example.